selling your car privately? Here's what you need to know. As the seller, you'll need to gather and fill out some documents. You'll need a certificate of title, an odometer statement if the car is less than 10 years old, and you might need a rebuilt from salvage disclosure if the car has sustained enough damage in the past. If you're selling a car that wasn't titled in Florida, you'll need to complete the VIN number and odometer verification document. You'll need to get it verified by a public notary, law enforcement, or any certified dealer. After you have a serious buyer, the next step is to fill out a bill of sale. This state doesn't actually require one, but it's a good thing to have just in case. Next, you'll need to transfer the title to its new owner. You'll need to hand over the current title, have all the previous documents filled out, and exchange payment. You'll also need to fill out a notice of sale. This document removes you from liability if the car is involved in any sort of legal trouble in the future. Once you've handed over the title, you'll need to hang on to your old license plates. You'll also need to contact your insurance agency to cancel coverage on the vehicle. Florida requires you to transfer your plates to another vehicle or return them to a motor vehicle service center. Want to make your next sale safe, simple, and secure? Check out privateauto.com.